Everyone, and welcome back to another unboxing video. So today we will be unboxing this thing right here. Right here what we have is All You Need Is Kill. It's a one shot manga, that is one story in one book. I have always been waiting for this, and now that it has come to offer, I have ordered it. Actually, the delivery man was not delivering it at all. He cancelled my order, and I have to do this and that in order to get this book. So बहुत मेहनत की है. It was a lot of work. So let's get this started unboxing. As in my previous unboxing video, you guys did not like me unboxing, but I will still show it because I have no manners. So let's get this party started. Okay, I will skip the cutting part for now. I really hope this book is in perfect condition, because I got it when it was raining and the delivery boy just cancelled my order and misplaced it. I don't know. Just please be in good condition. This is not getting out. Really good packaging. That it's trouble. Oh wow, I see bubble wrap. That's a good sign. Holy, look at this, guys. I can't control my excitement. Wow, look at the condition of the book and the size of the book too. Look at this bubble wrapping. I love bubble wrapping. It is not damaged anywhere. A little bit lifted up here, but let's open it and see what's the condition. You can see the size of this book. I'm quite surprised. Wait, let me show you. I did not expect that. It's actually bigger than an actual manga. Look at this, the comparison. This is an actual manga, normal sized, and this is this. It is about this size bigger than the normal ones. Now let's unwrap the bubble wraps too. Let's see, guys. Oh well, it's actually unwrapped. Here we go. Please be in perfect condition. Please. There you have it, guys. This is the book. Actually, it's quite wobbly. I don't know what happened to it while delivering, and I have no idea. Oh crap, look at this sticker. I don't like stickers in my books. Why did they apply a sticker? So you have this. Here we have this book. Look at this enormous size. I don't think it's a copy, but the printing is little, like the shine here is a little bit downwards. I have no idea. I don't think I would replace it. Anyways, this shine is not tilted, and here there is no shine. The matte type of cover is quite nice. The condition, I think it's actually a little bit wobbly, but otherwise there are no harms. Let's see. The pages are I can't say good quality. These look really bad quality pages, like those One Piece omnibuses and those you have. Let me show you the inside. Here's the first page. What this is? I thought there would be a glossy finish or a plastic page. This is paper, literal paper. Not, is it a copy? I don't know. I have no idea. Look at those pages from the inside. This is a really good manga. I just can't tell you. This just too good. But I don't think I got it in really good condition. Let's see. I might ask other people about what this condition is. So I hope you guys like this video. Please help me out with subscribing. I might try to improve this quality of my videos, and see you next time. Hold on, guys, look at this error. This is just not equally printed. Some pages are outside, some pages are inside. This is a little lifted up. I have no idea what this is. And also look at this, I did not even notice it. It's the old logo. It's an old book. I don't know why they shipped me an old book. What should I do?